Have you ever wondered how birds find their way during long migrations? Birds have a built-in navigation system that's truly impressive. They use the sun during the day and the stars at night as a map to guide their journey. Even on cloudy days or in unfamiliar places, birds can sense the Earth's magnetic field, almost like having a tiny compass in their heads. Some birds also remember landmarks like mountains or rivers. By combining all these clever tricks, birds can travel thousands of miles and still find their way home every year.